I can say, "Hey Siri, turn on the lights."
If you're wondering why a sane person is asking Siri to turn on his lights in the middle of the night, let me just show you. Oh, it's already 11? I think I should head to sleep. I forgot to turn the lights off, and the switch is always so far away. This electricity bill is gonna kill me if I don't turn the light off. Shit. Aren't you tired of having the light switch always be away from you? Well, I am, and I'm gonna get this light today and fix all of my problems once and for all. But wait, this is really expensive. I don't have that much on me. Maybe I can get this switch which can help me control the lights, but it's not that much cheaper either. And I do not have a lot of money on me. What I do have is a degree in digital engineering and a lot of free time. So alright, to do this, I need to do three main things. The first thing is I need to connect an Arduino to a servo motor so that I can use the servo motor to turn the lights on and off. Next, I need to connect this to the Apple HomeKit so that I can control the servo motor using Siri. And finally, I'll need to print out a 3D model so that I can actually connect the servo motor to the light switch. Sounds simple? Let's get straight to it. So here I have preloaded the code to make an LED blink using an Arduino. However, that is not what we want. What we want is for a servo to turn based on certain inputs from the user. So let's get into that.
And here is how we simply connect a motor or a servo to an Arduino. That isn't the hard part. The hard part is in step 2, where we need to connect it to Apple, which is mainly because of how Apple uses their HomeKit. So they have their own protocol called the HAP, or the HomeKit Accessory Protocol. Hope I'm not wrong. And essentially what they want to do is they only want Apple products to be using their tool and not oranges. However, this can easily be fixed with the help of something called Homebridge, which pretends to be an Apple product and makes our orange look like an apple.
I'll leave in description the links to the videos that I went through to make this video happen. However, to give you a brief summary, all you need to do is run this command to install Homebridge on your PC, or you can do it in a Raspberry Pi if you want to, and then run this command to start this Homebridge server, and then just simply go to the localhost address that's given in the terminal, and in there go to the config tab where you need to be changing these two lines. These two paths should be changed to the address that you define in your Arduino IDE to turn the LEDs on and off. But this way, what Homebridge will do is it will over the Wi-Fi send signals to your Arduino to turn the servos.
Wait, I completely forgot that this Arduino does not have the Wi-Fi module, so I can't use this with Homebridge. What I rather need to do is I need to replace it with an ESP32 which has a Wi-Fi module. Lucky for me, Okay, this was not supposed to happen, but what I was saying was, lucky for me, I do have an ESP32 lying around.
So now that we have our ESP32 set up, we need to define two paths inside our Arduino IDE, where we have the LED on path and the LED off path, which will then basically turn the servo motor. After having uploaded this to our ESP32, we can see that it has successfully connected to the Wi-Fi, and it gives us the IP address for our ESP32. This IP address is what we will be taking to Homebridge and using inside our paths. Once we have done all this, we can simply go to Homebridge and add our device.
Now I can see that it's already added here. So if I click on this and if I turn this on, you can see that it did something here, and it says the power hasn't set on. Also, you've noticed it turned the motor. And also, what I can do is, now that I've connected this, I can use my watch. Another thing that I can potentially do is I can say, "Hey Siri, turn on the lights." "Hey Siri, turn off the lights."
You got it?
Alright.
So all that I'm left with now is to take the servo motor and slap it onto my switch. So let me go ahead and
So here's the model that I made using the exact lens that I need. So let me just go and get it. Okay, so here it is. Now all we need to do is just put this on this optional switch. Let's go right there. But never mind. And present to your jack. Here is the motor connected to the switch. Here is the Arduino, and we have the power bank down there. So getting right at it. Let's track it. Hey Siri, turn on the lights. It should already be on. Nothing should happen. Okay, what the hell is wrong with you, Siri? Okay, I couldn't figure out anything, so I just restarted the Arduino. So let's try it again. Hey Siri, turn off the lights. There we go. Hey Siri, turn on the lights. And there we have it. Finally done and dusted. So now I can peacefully go to bed.
The next day.
Hey Siri, turn off the lights. ChatGPT can't do that.
Well, I may not control lights, but at least I can spell something correctly.